In this video, we're going to do the spark plugs on a 2005 Suzuki GS500. You do not need to remove the tank, the seat, the air box, any of that stuff. I only did for two reasons. One, because I'm doing some carburetor work on it, and two, it's going to make it a whole lot easier to film this video and show you guys where the spark plugs are. Locating the spark plugs on the bike, we have one right here on the right side, and the other one is right here on the left side. You wouldn't be able to see these if the tank were here. So the first step here is I'm going to reach my hand between the fairing and the frame, locate the spark plug wire, and remove it. So with the spark plug wire out of the way, there's the spark plug right there. All you need is this setup right here. No extension, just a ratchet and an 18mm deep socket. And what you're going to do is just slide in right here between the fairing and the frame. Locate the spark plug and break it loose. Then you can start to loosen it with your fingers. I selected an NGK plug, gapped it at 0.9 millimeters, which was per the factory spec. And now we'll reinstall the plug in the reverse order that it was removed. You only get about a quarter turn at a time for this, but it's a whole lot easier than taking the fairing apart. All right, reinstall your spark plug wire. Okay, and then just repeat the same process on the other side and you are done.